Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki, and today I'm coming at you guys with another quick and easy meal. Today is brown sugar bourbon salmon, and if you want to see how I make this, keep watching. So we're going to start out with some salmon fillets that I get from my local grocery store, and I get them skinless, and after rinsing them off, I'm going to pat them dry. And normally if I was just having salmon with one side, I would leave this whole fillet, but since I'm having salmon and other foods, I am going to cut mine in half. And these are some pretty thick pieces of salmon, so one half will be enough for me. So this is the secret sauce right here, honey. This is the secret ingredient, the McCormick Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Honey, since I found this, I have cut my seasonings in half, well, down to only one, because this is all I use now. Before I used to use brown sugar, garlic powder. I used to use all the seasonings, but now this is all I need, and some butter. And when I tell you it is so good, it's good. Definitely go and pick this up. And I'm going to really season the fish down, and then I'm going to take some squeezed butter and squeeze it on, put on a glove, and then massage this into my fish. Y'all know we don't work with measurements over here. We just season to taste, and I season with my eyes. So I'm going to take my grilled cast iron skillet and spray some Pam in it just so that it doesn't stick. Even though it has butter on the salmon, I still want to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm only making enough for 3 tonight, so I'm going to refrigerate the rest and make that for tomorrow. And I'm just going to lay it on my skillet face down because I want the grill lines in it, even though I didn't leave it in there long enough to get the grill lines. Then I'm going to cover it with foil, put it in the oven on 350, and leave it in there for about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, about 18 minutes. And let that bake while I make my brown sugar glaze. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and melt that. And then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and I usually would squeeze in a half of a lemon, but I didn't have any at the time, so I had to work with what I got. But you can definitely use a lemon. And I'm going to stir those until it gets like a thick caramel like sauce. And I'm just going to drizzle this over the salmon and spread it in and let it just melt down the sides. And I do have my stove on like medium low, and I let this sit on my stove for about 2 minutes. Decorated with some parsley. And this is my finished meal. I made steamed crabs, my brown sugar bourbon salmon, and a loaded Alfredo potato. So if you guys want to see a recipe on that, you guys have to let me know. You guys have to watch my cooking videos. Let me know what else you guys would like to see in Kiki's Quick Kitchen. That sounds good for a series name. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below, let me know. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.